You wake up tomorrow. Your bank account hasn't changed. You didn't spend a dime, yet somehow your money is worth less. No, it's not a glitch. It's the hidden truth of modern money. And most people never notice it until it hits them. We call it inflation, but that word is just a polite mask for something far stranger. Money changing value without ever moving. Why should you care right now? Because this isn't just an abstract concept. It's happening right under your nose. Prices climb, wages lag. The dollar in your wallet quietly loses power every day. And the worst part? Most financial news treats it like a boring statistic. Let's strip it down. Let's see the system for what it really is. Think of money as a stack of tickets at a fair. Yesterday, 100 tickets could buy you a full dinner. Today, maybe only half. And nobody moved your tickets. Nobody touched them. Yet their value, the number of things they can get you, changed. Why? Because the total number of tickets in the fair changed. The game didn't move, the tickets didn't move, but suddenly there were too many tickets chasing the same rides, same food, same prizes. That's the quiet magic and danger of modern money creation. Here's an example. In the U.S., the Federal Reserve's balance sheet in 2008 was around $900 billion. By 2020, after repeated rounds of quantitative easing, it was over $7 trillion. That's not $7 trillion in some far-off vault. That's $7 trillion circulating in the financial system, pushing the value of every dollar you already hold slightly down. And yet, for years, the headlines promise stability. Inflation under control, they say. The reality? Your dollars are quietly losing weight. It's absurd when you think about it. Money that doesn't move. Prices that keep moving. Nobody blames the system because it's invisible. Nobody notices the slow erosion until it's too late. Now zoom out. This isn't just about your grocery bill. It's about debt, interest rates, and power. Governments can pay bills without raising taxes. Banks can lend more than they hold. Pension funds assume numbers on paper will remain stable. Spoiler, they rarely do. And here's the kicker. When the system tips too far, it doesn't tip gradually. Value collapses suddenly. One day, a bond that should be worth $100 is suddenly worth $80, $60, depending on how quickly the invisible math catches up with reality. Money is a strange creature. It can move mountains without ever leaving a bank. It can vanish while sitting still in your account. And the people running the show? They act like it's all perfectly normal. They sell stability. They promise trust. But the hidden math doesn't care about promises. Every dollar printed, every zero added, every loan created quietly erodes the value of the dollars you already own. So here's the question few ever ask. If money can change value without moving, who really holds power? And more importantly, if the system can quietly rewrite your wealth while you sleep, are you truly in control? Tomorrow, your dollars may be the same, but their power, that's already on the move. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.